Cushing Syndrome. Introduction. What does cortisol do? Choose one of the following. 1. Helps the body respond to stress. 2. Helps the body use glucose. 3. Keeps blood pressure at a normal level. 4. All of the above. Correct. Cortisol also helps manage the body's use of protein and fat. It also reduces inflammation caused by the immune system. Cushing syndrome may cause different symptoms in men and women. Select true or false. Correct. Women may have abnormal hair growth and irregular periods. Men may have ED, fertility problems, and little or no desire for sex. Cushing syndrome is often caused by cancer. Select true or false. Correct. It is rare for Cushing syndrome to be caused by cancer. More often, Cushing syndrome is caused by benign tumors or by taking corticosteroids. Samples of blood, urine, and saliva may be used to diagnose Cushing syndrome. Select true or false. Correct. Imaging tests may also be used. The goal of treatment for Cushing syndrome is to increase cortisol levels in the body. Select true or false. Correct. The goal of treatment is to lower cortisol levels in the body. Thank you for using Explain.